Hello students, welcome to my another class. So today in this video we are going to discuss exercise 5.1 question number 2. Write first four terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as these two. So today we are going to discuss question number 2, Roman number 2 and 3, as Roman number 1 is already discussed in the previous class. So here is the solution. Given solution to given A1 equal to A, you can write A1 also. Okay, A1 is the what? First term. It is already given how much? -2. D equal to 0. So to find the value of first four term, we know the formula. It is what? AN equal to A plus N minus 1 D. Here A means what? First term. N is what? Number of terms. Here N is the what? Number of terms. It is given 4 term. That is why we have to put here instead of A, put here 4 equal to A is already given. It is -2. A is -2 plus N means 4 minus 1 is already there. So D equal to how much? Already given. D equal to 0. Now after solving it, we'll get 4 minus 1 how much? 3 into 0. So it is -2 plus 0. So what? -2. Required 4 term of AP is what? -2. Therefore you can write A4 equal to -2, or you can use another method, to solve this problem, or solution number 2. So here is the solution. It is given A1 equal to A equal to -2, D equal to 0. So let the series be A1, A2, A3, A4 ... Okay, as A1 is already given, it is -2. So to find A2, use this formula. A2 equal to A1 plus D. Now put the value of A1. So instead of A1 we can write -2. Plus sign is already there. So D means how much? Instead of D, write here 0. After solving it, it will become -2. So the second term of AP is what? -2. Next, A3 equal to, formula is A2 plus D. Here A2 means what? -2 plus, put instead of D equal to 0. A3 equal to -2. Next, last 4 term, A4 equal to A3 plus D. This is the formula. Now instead of A3 we can write A3 equal to how much? A3 is how much? -2 plus D equal to -2. So the required first 4 terms of the AP are -2, -2, -2 and -2. That is, A1 is also -2, A2 is also -2, A3 is also -2, A4 is also -2. So this is the final solution. You can apply any other method, either this or this. Now next, we are going to solve Roman number 3. Here is the solution. Given A equal to 4, D equal to -3. So here दिया से A किमान? A equal to 4, D किमान दिया से -3. Since we know that আমি জানো যে ফর্মুলা কি আছিল? AN equal to A plus N minus 1 D. here a n to kiman hobo 4 a equal to sorry a n equal to how much a 4 n mane kiman 4 because number of term is given in the question 4 so a kiman dia ase 4 plus n o kiman dia ase 4 minus 1 so instead of d write minus 3 so d thait ami ki likhibo lagibo minus 3 now after solving it we'll get 4 minus 3 kiman hobo 3 into minus 3 so 4 plus etu kiman hobo plus minus etu hobo minus 3 3 is 9 after subtraction we will get minus 5 therefore a to the power 4 sorry a4 equal to minus 5 this is the required solution you can solve this problem by using another method try yourself at home